Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm taking you on a walk through the beautiful coastal city of Nha Trang in Vietnam. And what's cool about this video is that it's really a tour of two very different places in one walk. We'll start at a special scenic spot called Han Chung Promontory. It's a beautiful, rocky area with some really unique statues and an amazing view of the entire city skyline from across the water. It's a bit more quiet and peaceful there. Then we'll leave that park and begin the main part of our walk, a long journey down Nha Trang's famous beach promenade. This is where you'll get a feel for the real, vibrant energy of the city. We'll walk for miles along the sand, see how locals and tourists spend their evenings, check out the popular public outdoor gyms, and just
Chỉ không nghĩ là trong quá trình vận chuyển nó đi đâu.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.